authorities said they've not been clear enough about extra fees that get added to the end of the booking. Absolutely. RIP NME is trending on Twitter following the news that the NME won't come out as printed or a printed magazine anymore. Catherine tweets, NME magazine was the source of my interest in my teenage years. RIP NME. Adam tweets, RIP NME, the print edition anyway. The reason for some of my questionable music references or preferences. And Kyra tweets, my bedroom walls from ages 15 to 17 were covered in the pages of the NME. Real loss to print media, but times are changing. RIP NME. Over on Facebook, people are talking about the Christopher Robin trailer where Pooh reunites with Christopher, who's now all grown up. And it was the European premiere of the Tomb Raider movie in London. It stars Alicia Vikander as Lara Croft.